Where in the world did this year go? It's New Year's already! Happy New Year! And to celebrate, I'm gonna be making something exciting. Champagne pancakes. Let's do it! Grab a bowl, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, tablespoon of sugar, a little salt, and mix that together. 1 cup of champagne. Thankfully, there's more left in the bottle. A cup of milk, 1 beaten egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and mix that together. This is just optional. I had some freeze-dried pieces of strawberry. I'm gonna put a couple tablespoons of that inside. Let's ladle on some cakes. Champagne pancakes. They actually smell like champagne. And they taste really great. Well, I hope that you all have a happy new year. So thankful that you're watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. And you know what? I'll see you next year. I was gonna quit all my bad habits for the new year, but then I remembered nobody likes a quitter.